Alam mo ba na may ganito kagandang overlooking property near Metro Manila? Yes, from your lot, you will have a panoramic view of the skyline of Pasig, Makati, and Quezon City. Plus, it is only 20 minutes away from Metro Manila. Introducing Habila Township by Pilin Masland. And here are the three reasons kung bakit ka dito dapat mag-invest. Number one, best overlooking views of Metro Manila. Kita ang skyline ng Makati, Pasig, and Quezon City. At dahil nasa 170 to 210 meters above sea level tayo, mas cooler and fresh ang hangin dito. Imagine waking up every morning, feel refreshed and energized. Number two, it is just 12 kilometers away from Ortigas CBD in Pasig City. Guys, imagine this. 1 kilometer away from Habila Main Gate in Cabrera, Taytay, itatayo ang MRT Fort Tikling Rotonda Station and ang ramp ng Southeast Metro Manila Expressway. Kaya in the future, mas magiging connected and easily accessible ang paradise na to. Living in Habila, you're in proximity to the convenience of a big city. Napakalapit mo sa mga first-class malls, hospitals, and premier schools sa metro. Plus, you are in the next frontier of real estate investment east of Metro Manila. Number three, property flexibility. Dito sa Havila, you get options. Gusto mo ng high-end property with views of the city or mountain for your dream house? Check. Gusto mo ng place na may nature ambience, full of trees, and may malaking modern park? Check. Gusto mo ng property for investment na malaki ang value appreciation? It is your choice. All are available. And here's more, kasama sa lifestyle mo ang world-class amenities, clubhouse na may infinity pool, view deck area, indoor and outdoor basketball court, tennis court, and so much more. Plus, malayo tayo sa potline and flood-free, very safe for your family. So ano ba ang ultimate goal? Magkaroon ng bahay with peace, safety, and a lifestyle ng living near Metro Manila na malapit sa lahat minus the hustle and bustle of a big city. A place ideal to raise a family for generations. But here's the catch. Few lots and units left. Once these are gone, wala nang kapalit. So what are you waiting for? Your future property is waiting for you. Book a site visit now before someone else grab it. See you!